Telegram login problem email. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can solve the Telegram login problem on email. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, normally Telegram will not ask you for your email address when you're logging in, even if you have actually entered them inside. What it does ask is that you verify your phone number. So most likely you might not be asked with an email. But if you had turned on two-factor authentication, and then what happens if you are trying to log in from a new location, in that case, then Telegram might say you to verify your email. So what you can try to do is, if you have access to the email account and if you remember the email that was associated with your Telegram, you can just try opening up that email and then check if you have received any sort of code from Telegram. After you do that, then you should be able to log in. Now after you've done all of that, what I wanted to do is, do not try to log in from the same steps over and over again. Long press the Telegram app icon and then just tap the app info option, which will be on any Android phone. Then go to storage, clear the cache files, and then just clear the storage by just tapping the three dots option, tapping on clear local database, and then just tap the clear option to clear all the local database as well. This way you should hopefully be able to fix Telegram login problem with email, and also try using a VPN if none of these solutions actually help you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.